Hey everybody, welcome back to Green Thumb Gardeners. Today we're ditching the chemical concoctions and diving headfirst into the wonderful world of organic fertilizers. That's right, we're going au natural in the garden, folks. If you're tired of exposing your plants and yourselves to harsh chemicals, you've come to the right place. We're about to unlock the secrets of Mother Nature's own plant food, and trust me, she knows what she's doing. Get ready to learn how to whip up some seriously effective, totally organic fertilizers using stuff you probably already have lying around your kitchen. We're talking compost tea. It's exactly what it sounds like: banana peel fertilizer and even eggshell plant food. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to give your plants the boost they need, the natural way. So, are you ready to unleash your inner mad scientist and brew up some plant potions? Let's get our hands dirty. Alright, first up on our organic fertilizer escapade is compost tea. Now, before you wrinkle your nose, this isn't some kind of funky earthy beverage you sip on a rainy afternoon. This stuff is liquid gold for your plants. It's like giving your garden a potent vitamin shot, packed with beneficial bacteria and nutrients that'll have your plants doing the Macarena. So what goes into this magical potion? First, you'll need a good source of mature compost. That's the key ingredient. Think of it like the tea leaves. You'll also need a large container. A 5-gallon bucket works great. Some water and an aquarium air pump. Don't worry, we're not building a jacuzzi for earthworms here. Here's the game plan. Fill your bucket with water, leaving some space at the top. Then add your compost. A good ratio is about 1 part compost to 5 parts water. Now drop in your aquarium air pump, making sure the air stone is at the bottom of the bucket. This is crucial, guys. We want to keep those beneficial bacteria happy and oxygenated. Now for the fun part, plug in your air pump and let the brewing begin. You'll want to let the mixture steep for about 24 to 48 hours, stirring it occasionally. You'll know it's ready when you see those tiny bubbles and a nice earthy aroma. Think of it like a sourdough starter for your plants. Once your compost tea is brewed to perfection, it's time to give your plants a taste. Dilute the tea with water at a 1:10 ratio and use it to water your garden. The microorganisms in the tea will go to town on your soil, improving its structure, boosting nutrient availability, and even helping fight off plant diseases. Next up, we're going bananas for banana peels. Yep, you heard that right. Those potassium-rich peels you usually toss in the trash are about to become your garden's new best friend. Now, you have a couple of options here. The simplest method is to simply chop those peels into small pieces and bury them a few inches deep in the soil around your plants. As the peels decompose, they'll release a slow and steady dose of potassium, which is essential for flower and fruit development. It's like burying treasure for your plants to discover. But wait, there's more. If you're feeling extra adventurous, you can whip up a batch of banana peel fertilizer tea. Simply fill a jar with water, add a few banana peels and let it steep for a few days. Strain the liquid and voila! You've got yourself a potassium-packed elixir that will make your plants go bananas, pun intended. And the best part? You're not just giving your plants a nutritional boost, you're also reducing waste. It's a win-win for your garden and the planet. Last but not least, let's talk about eggshells. No, we're not making a miniature omelette for our plant pals, although that would be pretty adorable. Eggshells are a fantastic source of calcium, which is essential for cell growth and development in plants. They also help regulate the pH of your soil, preventing it from becoming too acidic. Now, the key here is to crush those eggshells into a fine powder. You can use a mortar and pestle, a food processor, or even just a rolling pin and some good old-fashioned elbow grease. The finer the powder, the easier it will be for your plants to absorb those valuable nutrients. Once you've got your eggshell powder, you can sprinkle it directly onto the soil around your plants. You can also mix it into your potting mix when you're starting seeds or transplanting. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even make an eggshell tea by steeping the crushed eggshells in water for a few days. So next time you're making scrambled eggs, don't even think about tossing those shells. Your garden and the planet will thank you. So there you have it, folks. 3 easy, effective, and totally organic ways to give your plants the nutrients they need to thrive. Who knew that kitchen scraps could be so powerful? Thanks for joining me on this organic gardening adventure. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Green Thumb Gardeners for more gardening tips and tricks. And be sure to let me know in the comments below which of these DIY fertilizers you're excited to try out. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.